This is the technique that you need to master in order to maximize your profits while selling on Amazon. Very often I see sellers not knowing their numbers. So this is crucial to understand in order to know how much you can push your product with ads and to which degree. So stay with me. For this example, I created a random unit price and COGS just to picture what's going to happen when you face with the different COGS and different conditions before you start selling. Now, this is the process that you need to do every time that you source the product. If you didn't do that in time, now is the perfect time. The perfect time was yesterday, actually. So let's start. On the left, you have your list of ASINs, and you can copy this template. I'm going to share it in the description below and in the first comment. So first, you need to fill in your unit price and your COGS. Then you need to know your referral fee percentage. That is calculated as the percentage from the unit price. You can find that on Amazon. Just search for the for the referral fees, and you will know for your category what's the referral fee. For this one, I've selected to be 20%. Next up, you have your FBA fulfillment fee. Now, it's expected that you already know all of this, but if not, stay with me. So for FBA fulfillment fee, for example, I like to use SellerSprite profitability calculator for this because you can just input your dimensions here on the product and you will get your FBA fee. So let's put whatever we have, like width, height, weight, etc. And I think we have, I don't know, let's say our price is 59. So our FBA should be 3.9. So that's the logic. So just use the SellerSprite.com FBA calculator or any other that you prefer, and you'll get that calculation. Then you input your FBA fulfillment fees over here. For monthly storage fees, I've selected 0 because in this example, it's very close to 0. It's like 1 cent per unit. So that's why I added 0. But you can go ahead and input whatever you have over here. Now the column G gives you the total Amazon fees. That's actually just the referral fee as a percentage times unit price, then the FBA fulfillment fee and monthly storage fee. Now, these unfortunately are not all the fees out there on Amazon, and the list keeps on growing. What I like to do here is that you just add $1 or $2 to the calculation just to be on the safe side. So here, for example, for the sake of this tutorial, I can input like, I don't know, $1.50 here, and let's do that just to cover whatever the low storage fee, high storage fee, or you name it. Now you get the total Amazon fees. And on the column H, you have the profit margin. So this is your profit margin before any ads, meaning this is your break-even ACoS. I know that ACoS is like almost a vanity metric, but still you need to use it here to calculate your profitability and to know how aggressively you can bid on your ads. So in the first example, 48.54 is the break-even ACoS. So if you're having an ACoS for this product on all of your campaigns combined, 48.54, you're not making any money, but you're not losing any money. This is important to know because this is how aggressive you can be without losing any money on ads. It means also that whatever you go below that, you're making profit, and whatever you go above that, you're losing money. Now, there are many different scenarios that I've talked about. When do you want to go as high with ACoS as 100% to 200% to the product launches or relaunches? Or if you have a ranking campaign, that's fine because you want to look at the different metrics. But here, this is very important to note. So for some of these, you can see that profit margins are really, really low. For example, this means that any ACoS that you have in your campaign is going to impact you like any ACoS below 15% is going to impact you negatively. So this product is best off to, I don't know, either liquidate it or just, I don't think there's an ad campaign that can give you good number of sales velocity at the ACoS of, I don't know, 8% or something like that. Now in this template, you can enter the profit margin that you would like to see after the ads. And for example, if you type in 20, then the adjusted target ACoS here in the column I is going to be automatically updated. Now this, if we calculate that we want to have a profit of 20%, then this is your target ACoS. Now if you use any kind of automation tool or something, this is important information for you so you can know what's your target ACoS here. And then you can adjust easily, like, okay, you don't want to be that aggressive, let's do 15, depending on your refunds and any other fees. You want to cover that with your profit margin. So if you settle at 15, that means that for this product, you're going to have target ACoS of 33% point something in order to hit 15% of profit margin. And that really gives you clarity on what's happening in your ads account. So on average, this is like 26%. So you could be happy with 26% in this case on average. But take a close look that, as I mentioned, these are some of the products that you may think of, really think twice how to advertise them. Even this one. This is going to be at 0 at 15% profit margin because the bad negotiation that someone had during the sourcing part. So there you go. It's pretty simple yet so effective, and I could not emphasize this enough, as I keep seeing people not knowing their COGS, not knowing their profit margin, or knowing their COGS, but they kind of forget it because that was important to them when they sourced the product, but then they kind of neglected that. So let me know if you need any further clarification. I will be sharing this template in the comments below. So let me know if something doesn't work or you need further clarification. Stay tuned, guys. There are more videos coming up. Bye-bye.